Best deals.
1. Mixer grinder. Complete kitchen machine offers all-in-one solution and performs 4 functions: those of a mixer, grinder, juicer and chopper, blender for fresh and healthy vegetables or fruit juices in seconds. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Mixer grinder. Measuring glass from perfect mixture of water and flour according to the machine power and jar quantity, crafted from unbreakable polycarbonate jar for chopping, kneading and whipping, has powerful motor that support heavy duty for kneading and chopping. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Mixer grinder. Uniquely designed blunt pounding blade with thick edges which replicates pounding effect on dry ingredients, thus giving authentic texture and taste. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Mixer grinder. Stainless steel fine blades for best chopping, grinding and juicing. They can perfectly blend even the harder foodstuffs very easily. It is hygienic and easy to clean as well. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Blender. It is made from superior quality of ABS plastic which is highly durable and long-lasting. It is also safe for food and retains the freshness and flavor of all your preparations. Powerful motor blends the ingredients in seconds. The motor unit is very steady and safe to use. This is best suited to make healthy drinks and protein shakes. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Mixer grinder. Blades are dynamically balanced, eliminating vibration and doubles bush life. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Mixer grinder. Motor with compact setup fits most kitchen requirements and takes minimum storage space, includes mixer grinder, chef pro bowl, chutney jar, multipurpose jar, wet jar, pulp extractor, chopping attachment, fine shredding tool, fine slicing tool, grating tool and kneading tool. Special disc inserts for slicing and shredding allows for finest mixing, grinding, chopping, grating, slicing and atta kneading. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Mixer grinder. The mixer grinder is equipped with a powerful 1000 watts motor that grinds anything and everything with absolute ease, designed to perfection with superior quality stainless steel and a sparkling mirror finish. Superior quality transparent juicer jar for all your special juicing needs. This jar makes laborious daily activities like chopping and kneading a breeze. Super efficient blades are made of superior quality stainless steel for better grinding. Handling this mixer grinder is easier than ever, thanks to the ergonomically designed sturdy handles. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Blender. Premium finishes, full-size power in a compact size and attention to detail. BPA-free pitcher gives strength and durability. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Mixer grinder. Circuit breaker switch protect motor from burnout, crafted from 100% copper wound motor for long-lasting performance. It's a child safety lock system mixer grinder. It comes with variety of colors. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Blender. 6-blade assembly lets you do everything: blend and grind an endless array of smoothies, sauces, chutneys, garam masalas, drinks and dips. The to-go drinking cup lets you carry your smoothies and drinks anywhere, steady and safe to use with non-skid rubber footing. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Mixer grinder. The speed regulating knob is a smart feature which serves your purpose of adjusting varying speed limits. Now, you can take control over your kitchen by regulating the grinding or mixing process of your food items. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Mixer grinder. Stainless steel blades for high-performance wet, dry and chutney grinding, cable management for easy handling and storage. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Mixer grinder. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Mixer grinder. The anti-gravity laid locks ensure complete safety while being convenient to use. The clips stay open and in place, making it easy to secure the jar in place. Innovative design that maximizes space, conserves power, and enhances durability. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Blender. Copper motor and 6-leaf stainless steel blades, makes it simple to blend, mix, and grind. It includes jars ideal for fresh fruits and vegetables, for use in smoothies, juices, and other recipes. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Blender. Variable speed with pulse function ensures to adjust the speed knob to achieve a variety of textures or use the pulse feature to create quick bursts of power. The 8-leaf stainless steel blades are designed to deliver perfect smoothie, frozen dessert, ice crush, soup and controlled processing. 2 liters BPA-free large jar is the perfect for creating family meals and ensures healthy life. Multi-utility kitchen appliance perfect for crushing, blending, chopping, grinding, processing food, making puree or liquefy. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Blender. The blending jar itself acts as a health drink carry bottle and you do not need to transfer the blended item. This is best suited to make healthy drinks and protein shakes. The 200W powerful motor blends the ingredients in seconds. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Mixer grinder. Comes with Wave technology which is designed and engineered in Italy. This technology uses an unique wave-like design on jars that helps in consistent blending and grinding. This is a best blender for smoothie and juices. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Blender. Effortlessly blending, chopping, grinding or puree. Authentic and superior juicer mixer grinder. Specially designed blending blade and grinding blade makes it easy to get the finest results as very less time, specially designed with keeping smoothie lovers in mind. With pulse button operation you can now make smoothies as per your desired texture. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Chopper. Powerful motor that support heavy duty for kneading and chopping, unbreakable bowl for chopping and kneading, food grade blade for kneading and peas peeling, measuring glass from perfect mixture of water and flour according to the machine power and jar quantity. Unbreakable polycarbonate jar for chopping, kneading and whipping, all-in-one dough kneader can help in kneading atta, chopping onion, blend soup and smoothie, whip creams for cake and pastries, prepare delicious batter and purees, shred, slice and grate vegetables, and squeeze healthy juice with ease. Powerful copper motor that support kneading and chopping. It comes with multiple detachable sharp stainless steel chopping blades for multi-purpose use. The strong and unbreakable atta kneading blade is used to make dough in a minute. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Mixer grinder. Complete kitchen machine offers all-in-one solution and performs 4 functions, those of a mixer, grinder, juicer and chopper, blender for fresh and healthy vegetables or fruit juices in seconds and grinder for dry spices and chutney. Product link is given in the 22nd link. Thanks for watching.